This little female is known to researchers as
Minute.
She's tiny, weighing a mere 2 pounds, 200 times less than a lion. She'd be almost impossible to find. She can walk 20 miles a night in search of food, the farthest recorded for any small cat. Guided by superb night vision and responding to the smallest of sounds, she finds almost anything that moves is a potential meal. Primed like a spring, she can deliver maximum power to jump. She hits her target 60% of the time. It's what makes black-footed cats the most lethal hunters in the entire cat family.